Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I welcome all of you with Islamic greetings. Assalamu alaikum. May peace, blessings, and mercy of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala be upon all of you. Today, our topic is Shimla deputation. Why was Shimla deputation of 1906 an important event for the Muslims of subcontinent? Before proceeding further, it is pertinent to mention what is meant by deputation. Dear students, a group of people who are sent to a place to represent other people is called deputation. Now let's come to the topic. At that time, Viceroy was vacationing at Shimla. Muslims approached Mr. Archbold, the principal of Aligarh College, to get an appointment with Viceroy. Mr. Archbold got in touch with Mr. Dunlop Smith and requested him to get an appointment with the Viceroy. The Viceroy agreed to meet Muslim deputation. Since the negotiations took place at Shimla, that was why it came to be known as Shimla deputation. Now, the question arises, what were the compelling circumstances that led Muslims to have vis-a-vis talks with Viceroy? Dear students, the circumstances were: number first, Indian National Congress was dominated by Hindus, and Muslims feared that soon they would be dominated by Hindus, and the Hindu agitation would lead to Hindi becoming the national language, or even to Muslims being forcibly converted to Hinduism. Furthermore, when the Liberal government was elected in Britain in 1905, Muslim fear grew. The Liberals had stated that they would increase local participation in the government of India through elections. Since Hindus were in majority, the Muslims feared that they would soon be dominated by Hindus in local government. Driven by such fears, a group of prominent Muslims under the aegis of Sir Aga Khan reached Shimla in order to apprise the Viceroy of Muslims' demands. The demands were: number one, in all local and provincial elections, Muslims should have their representatives who would be elected only by Muslim voters. Number second, in the councils, Muslims should have higher percentage of seats than their percentage of population. Now let's come to its importance. Why was Shimla deputation of 1906 an important event for the Muslims of subcontinent? Dear students, the deputation of 1906 was important for Muslims because of various reasons. Number first, this deputation proved to be a turning point for the Muslims. The Viceroy considered to the right of separate electorate for the Muslims. The demand of separate electorate and weightage in all elected bodies was accepted by British. Number second, it resulted in sudden and good improvement in Muslim-British relations. Number third, being encouraged by the success of deputation at Shimla, the Muslims decided to make their own political party to voice their demands to the British. In nutshell, we can say that Shimla deputation was perhaps the first step down the long road leading to the formation of Pakistan. Dear students, if you have any problem or ambiguity regarding the topic, do tell me. Inshallah, your problem will be solved there and then.